objection.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. As the people today are talking about restoring science in government to its rightful place, President Obama's nominees for Director of the Office of Science and Technology Policy and Administrator of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration await confirmation. John Holdren and Jane Lubchenco are among the nation's finest scientists, and we urgently need them at the forefront of our nation's efforts to rebuild our economy with new discoveries and innovations, to transform our energy use with new technologies, and to manage our natural resources with enhanced understanding. Today, I stood in the White House as the President talked about the new science policy. And later I stood in our Capitol dome, gazing up at the fresco of George Washington surrounded by the tools of our founders. My eyes were drawn to two scenes in particular, one named Oceans or Marine and the other Science. Our nation's future prosperity is no less dependent upon a mastery of these fields today. I look forward to confirmation of my good friends Dr. Lubchenco and Dr. Holdren soon.